Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a track Dwagon, and in this particular case it came in this black with kind of lime green or lime yellow windshield. So the previous one it came like kind of pink instead of this yellow. Yeah. So I went out and bought this particular casting because I compared both of those and this looked really nice, as my friends told. So the reason I bought this is it looks really cool, and I just want to see if there is anything in this casting, which makes it really stand out. If you see there are some castings which you can adjust the bottom of the car to make it go, I mean, to make it perform well in tracks. And in some castings you can just, move the, like move the arms, some Tesco, those kind of things are there. And I think I do have that. I need to check. Okay, let me just put this aside. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So let me just check one thing first. Okay, as usual, I think this is supposed to perform well in track because those kind of cars usually has plastic body and metal chassis. So this one is also the same. So it has metal chassis and plastic body. This is fully plastic, and that is actually disappointing. I was really wishing that. So I was really thinking that this entire body is going to be metal, so which would have made it really beautiful. More how we can say reliable, I guess. But it does have headlight details. I don't know what this is supposed to be, or these are supposed to be. I'm not sure. The livery looks really nice. So I think this means speed. Here you can see, because this is the exact lettering which they used in that custom camera which came last year. So when I used the Google Translate, auto detect, and it just showed speed. That's it. So which means speed. So it does have tail light details as well. So overall, the color combination and everything looks really beautiful. So my only issue is, the only thing which I personally don't like is they could have went with metal body and plastic chassis like they normally do. Okay, let's weigh this casting. But before that, let me just see. Okay, I think you can see the interior here. It does have interior details, which is really nice. And one more thing is the color scheme here, for the 009, it changes on the other side. See, this actually is getting reversed on the other side if you check. Okay, now let's weigh this casting. Okay, 34 grams, not bad for plastic casting. So given that the chassis is metal, and honestly the chassis is not really too big if you ask me. It is still this part. Even this part here, it is actually plastic, that is not metal. Okay, let's hope that this performs well in the track. Let's see. Okay, it does reach the end, which is really nice. Yeah, it reaches the end, which is really good. But it does have a lot of wheel wobble on the front wheel. Let me just try one more time. You can see, right? The front wheel wobbles a lot, which makes the car roll like this. So the rims looks really nice. I'm personally fan of this specific set of rims, both, and more specifically this one here. So overall, it's a really nice casting. If you are collector of fantasy castings, and if you want to pick one, and if you are able to get this casting somewhere around 150 or 120, or even 130, go ahead and buy it, and instead of buying for 179, because a lot of shops like this Reliance Smart Bazaar and all, they put a lot of discounts. Personally, I never bought from Reliance Smart Bazaar, but a lot of people in my group and a lot of my friends actually told they got it. I'm not sure, but they are giving a lot of discount. You can get it for 150 or so. So if that's the case, without any hesitation you can buy this one. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.